In organic poultry and livestock farming, every plant and grass has its own nutritional and medicinal purpose. Some are parasites, some are antibiotics, some are antifungal, and others. This particular plant is a wonderful plant. Everybody for have to look out for. Watch it in this video. Hello, how to use Senna Coffee for organic poultry and livestock nutrition. Verified benefits. If you're a poultry farmer, this plant you are seeing on the screen is called Senna Coffee plant. It is a beneficial plant for every poultry farmer. If you have it around your home, around the environment, around your farm, in fact, you have a gold mine. Make use of it and produce your poultry business in a profitable manner. Senna Coffee, made from the seed or leaves of the Senna occidentalis plant, is gaining popularity in organic poultry and livestock farming due to its powerful medicinal and nutritional properties. Farmers looking to reduce the cost of production, boost immunity, and grow healthier birds are turning this plant to organic solution as a game changer in natural animal care. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you struggling to take care of your poultry and livestock animals? Are you struggling to make profit? This particular plant is a game changer for you. Make use of it. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 20 nutritional and health benefits of Senna Coffee in poultry and livestock. One is Senna Coffee plant has powerful natural antibiotics that fights harmful bacteria in the gut. It is an immune booster that enhances disease resistance in birds and animals. It is a blood purifier that detoxifies the systems and boosts organ health in poultry and livestock animals. Antioxidant rich, prevent oxidative stress, support liver functions and other organs of the poultry and livestock animals. Appetite stimulator, it encourages birds to feed more actively and more efficiently and convert the feed better. It improves digestive health. It aids digestion and nutrient absorption in poultry and feed conversion. It acts as antiparasitic. It is a natural plant that expels worms and parasites from poultry and livestock animals. Liver tonic, it improves liver function and detoxifies the liver and make the process very effectively. Respiratory cleanser, clears mucus and eases breathing in poultry and livestock animals, most especially during heat stress. Anti-inflammatory, it reduces inflammations in internal organs. Growth promoter, it helps birds and livestock gain healthy weight. Egg production enhancer, it increases laying rate in hens that are laying chickens. In case you are a layers farmer and you are not getting maximum result from your laying bed, or they have dropped in their number of eggs they lay per week, this particular plant is good for you to use in your poultry and livestock animals. Bone and joint strengthener, it contains calcium and magnesium that strengthens the bone and joint of your poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time enhances the quality of the egg shells. It improves fertility in breeders. If you're a breeders farmer, you are into day-old chicks, you're into parent stocking, this particular plant will help to get maximum result in your breeding stock. You get better egg fertility and hatchability. The egg fertility rate will increase significantly if you make use of this plant. Antifungal, it treats internal and external fungal infections in poultry. Cost-effective health solution, it reduces veterinary expenses. The amount of money you spend on vet and other synthetic medications will drop significantly. In fact, if you make use of this, you are going to get amazing results. Cleanses intestines. The intestines of your poultry birds get better healthy conditions. It acts as laxative and cleanses the intestines of your poultry without stress. It boosts energy and vitality. It reduces fatigue in livestock. Reduce mortality rate. It improves survival rate of chicks and sick animals, most rarely if you use it during the brooding stage of your chickens. What are the poultry diseases this Senna Coffee can cure or manage effectively? Number one among them is the most common poultry infections called coccidiosis. You know the reasons why poultry birds have coccidiosis and how coccidiosis affect the poultry birds. This particular plant cures coccidiosis effectively. It manages Newcastle disease, most usually at the early stage of it. It gives them support against Newcastle disease, chronic respiratory disease, CROD, fowl cholera, E. coli infection, worm infestations, especially roundworm and tapeworms, fowl typhoid. All these bacterial and viral infections are easily managed and handled or cured by this particular coffee we are talking about. How to prepare Senna Coffee extract for poultry and livestock? First of all, you have to get the plant in your farm, get it around the environment. Then the first thing you need to do is harvest fresh Senna occidentalis leaf or wash it thoroughly. You can air dry it and preserve it for longer use. This air dried one can be used in their feed, or you can now gather about handful of it, up to 500 grams of the plant leaf. Wash it thoroughly with clean water. You can add either ginger or garlic for additional antimicrobial effects. Any of these two plants or both of them can add it if you want to get better results. Then blend it thoroughly. After washing them, blend it thoroughly. Then add little quantity of water, maybe 1 to 2 liters of water. Extract the juice completely. After blending them, add the water and squeeze out the juice. Make sure the whole juice is out so that you will not lose anyone. Then throw away the waste. If you have duck, you can give it to duck, the waste. Duck used to eat it also, or turkey. Grown-up turkey can eat the waste. Then preserve the juice for future use. Use 10 ml of that juice on daily basis. Add extra clean water to dilute it. About, depending on the number of quantity of water your chickens drink in a day, use 10 ml and dilute it and give it to them. Every water they take must have this particular leaf juice if you want to get the best result. Then another method is gather about 500 grams of the plant also, wash it thoroughly, put it inside a pot and boil it. You want to get maximum result or maximum benefit for medicinal purposes. Add garlic and ginger into it. Blend them or slice them into pieces and put them all together. Add 2 liters to 5 liters of water depending on the size of the pot you are using. Boil it effectively up to 15 to 30 minutes. Let the color comes out changes. Then preserve the water. Every morning, afternoon and evening, depending on the quantity of water your chickens drink in a day or your animals. It's effective for broilers, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, duck, laying birds, both animals, goat, sheep, cow, guinea pig, rabbit and rest of them, even cow. All these animals can benefit from this particular plant. Then boil the water for 30 minutes, allow it, drop it and allow it to cool. After cooling, sieve the water, sieve the extra juice and throw away the waste. Store in a very clean plastic bottle. Cork it very well and allow it there. Make sure it is well preserved. Then take depending on the age of your poultry and livestock animals, most especially the old chicks, 1 to 1 week or first week of their life, 5 meal is good enough for 3 days consecutively every week. Then growers, that is 3 to 4 weeks birds, take 10 meal and give to them in every 3 to 4 days in a week. Then big bears can benefit from 20 meal, that is between 5 to 8 weeks of broiler or layers. This is a period you can give them 20 meal for 4 consecutive days in a week. Then these adult bears, the grown-up ones, that is either they have started laying egg or they're about to sell them if they are broilers, then you can give them 30 meal every 5 days in a week. Goat, sheep, cattle, and rest of them, you can give them 100 meal mixed with drinking water or feed, any of them. Then give it to them 3 days in a week. Like cattle can take up to 200 to 300 meal orally on drinking water trough. They put inside their drink water, let them drink this for complete 2 to 3 times in a week. Drinking water method, mix the recommended dose in the birds or livestock drinking water. Then for feed, mix that. This is optional. You can mix it with the extract into the, use it to make the feed moist. Mix it in the feed will become moist a bit. Then feed to them and let them take it. For those of you that are rearing goats, if your goats are they can't easily take medications, mix it in their feed, they will take it. Then if they can still feed it directly, if the birds are so seriously sick, you can open their mouth, then pour the liquid into their mouth and cover their mouth for some time. They will not swallow it. Do this on daily basis. Then within 3 days, they will start recovering and start drinking it by themselves. This Senna Coffee is a hidden treasure in African organic farming. It offers a natural, effective, and low-cost way to boost poultry and livestock health. By incorporating this powerful herbal remedy, you can reduce drastically the dependence on synthetic antibiotics, lower mortality rate, improve growth performance, and save costs in rearing your poultry and livestock animals. Always ensure the correct dosages and introduce gradually. Stay organic, stay profitable, and let your birds stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video till now. Share this video to reach more performance. If this topic interests you, please give this topic a thumb up and make sure you have your comment. Anything that is bothering you in poultry, what challenges are you facing in your poultry health? Let me know on the comment section. Where are you watching this video from? Mention your location, let me know actually where you're watching the video from. Thank you for watching. You can still become a channel member of this particular channel or any of our channels. We have 2 major channels on poultry and livestock animals, and in these channels we treat everything concerning poultry and livestock, both their health, their feeding, and everything. And we also depend on organic poultry farming, where you rear your animals naturally without any synthetic. Subscribe and become a member of the channel by clicking join. When you join the member, we have many members in the group also, and these members, ask them, they benefit a lot. Most of them have my contacts and they call me on regular basis to help them run their poultry and livestock animals. Most of the challenges they face, they tell it to me, and I send them, I address it personally because they are our channel members. If you're a subscriber, yes, you are entitled to watching our videos with your data. Yes, that one is okay, and that's what you benefit. But if you're a channel member, I can attend to your personal poultry and livestock farming needs. That is the benefit of becoming a channel member. And at the same time, anytime we post video, the app will first of all send it to the channel members before others in the platform. The app may recommend the video to you today as a channel member, but others will get it in 3-4 days. So you become a channel member right away. Click join, use your bank card and enter all the details that is required. Then you become a channel member. Thank you for watching. We welcome you, and may God bless all of you for supporting this channel. Support us also by sharing this video to reach more poultry farmers. Are you watching from Cameroon? Are you watching from Uganda? Are you watching from Ghana? Are you watching from Ethiopia or South Africa? Let this video, share it to your community and share it to your links so that others will get benefit of what you are getting from this channel. Thank you. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. For now, say bye.